In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use the Claude Code plugin in Intellij IDEA. By the end, you'll have Claude Code set up and helping you write, fix, and refactor code directly inside your IDE. First, make sure you already have Intellij IDEA installed and running on your machine. If it's your first time opening Intellij, give it a moment to index your project so everything runs smoothly. Next, open Intellij and go to File, then Settings and choose Plugins. In the search bar, type Claude Code. When you see the plugin, click Install. Intellij will prompt you to restart. Go ahead and restart so the plugin loads properly. After the restart, look at the top menu bar and open Tools, then select Claude Code. From there, choose Settings or API Key. You'll see a field where you can paste your Claude API key. Paste your key carefully and avoid sharing it with others or committing it to version control. Once the key is saved, the plugin is ready to use. Open a Java, Python, or any other supported project in Intellij. Navigate to a file you'd like help with. You can either right-click the file or highlight a block of code, then choose Claude Code and ask Claude. If you prefer a dedicated space, you can also open the Claude Code tool window from the right sidebar to keep a running conversation as you work. In the prompt box, type a clear instruction. For example, you can say, fix errors in this code, generate unit tests, or refactor this function. The more specific you are about what you want and any constraints, the better the results. Claude Code will analyze the context and either suggest edits in line or provide a patch you can review. When suggestions appear, take a moment to read through the changes. You can apply them directly or copy parts you like and adjust as needed. If something isn't quite right, refine your instruction and ask again. Iteration is part of the workflow. Once you've applied the suggestions, run your code in Intellij as you normally would. Use your existing run configurations, test runners, and debuggers to verify everything works as expected. If tests fail or you spot new issues, return to Claude Code with a follow-up instruction referencing any error messages so it has the full picture. That's it. You've installed the plugin, connected your API key, asked for help on real code, applied the suggestions, and run your project. Keep experimenting with prompts as you code and let Claude Code handle the heavy lifting while you stay focused on